everyone, this is Q, and in this video we will be looking at long additions. So let's get right to it. Let's try to solve a few examples to understand the concept of long additions. The first example is 23 plus 45. The easiest way to solve long additions or long subtractions or any of the longer operations is to write in this manner. So you just write 23 and right underneath 45. This will make it very easy for you to go digit by digit, and you would be able to solve pretty much any number that you write. So let's look at this. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. There you go. So your answer to 23 plus 45 is 68. This is basically the concept of long additions. Let's look at another example. 234 plus 450. 234, 450. You would do the same thing, digit by digit. 4, 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 684. When you break down a larger question, a larger number, into digit by digit calculations, it becomes very easy because 4 plus 0 is a lot easier than 34 plus 50, which is a lot easier than 234 than 4 plus 450. So if you do digit by digit, you'd be able to do 4 plus 0, 3 plus 5, 2 plus 6, 2 plus 4, and get the answer. Let's look at another example, but in this example we have decimals. So we follow the same concept. It doesn't change if you have decimals. You just need to make sure when you're calculating it, you're very careful about the decimal point. So let's look at this example. 234.5.67 plus 4,567.89. So you would at first start from right to left as you did in the previous two examples. Now 9 plus 7. Now notice that 7 and 9 in total is greater than 10. So what you would do is first add 7 and 9, which comes up to 16. So write 6 down here, and the digit before 6, which is 1, goes up here. The reason why you don't write 16 down here is because this you just write the last digit, because the 1 is in the 10th place if you just look at this part, and then the 10th place would be 6 plus 8. So let's solve this. It'll be easier as we go through this calculations. 8 plus 6, this is 14. Now the one that we added, you add that to 14, which becomes 15. So you add 5 and 1 here, because remember, you don't add all the digits down here, you just add the last digit and the first digit up here. Now after 5, you have to remember that you put in the decimal point, and now you move on the left. 7 plus 5, 12. So you put 2 here. Now this would be wrong. Why? Because you are forgetting the 1. So instead, you would put 7 plus 5, which is 12, plus 13, plus 1. So this would be 3, 1. 4 plus 6 is 10, 1, 11. 1 and 1 up here. 3 plus 5, 8. Plus 1, 9. So you write 9. And then 4 plus 2, 6. So the answer to this is 6,913.56. I hope this made it a bit simpler for you to understand the long additions. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my videos. Please hit subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep following.